Tell me all the things I wanna hear. You've been outside all night.
I have never seen this monstrosity.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, good.
Do they actually melt the cheese? Oh my goodness.
W-Edge.
What are those?
Hats.
Oh my gosh.
He went in and asked for hats.
Why did you get hats? Didn't you know?
No, they don't. I don't remember the last time I wore an In-N-Out hat.
Oh, really?
What is that, bro?
Wait. No.
Oh shit.
He's coming? He's coming right now? Oh my god.
Yeah.
You have to eat it. Oh, okay. So just pondering about it.
I'd eat anything with a bowl.
This is not a bowl.
You want a hat too?
Bro. Why did you just do that?
Jaywalker. You're caught on camera. You're caught on camera, Jaywalker. Yeah, we're calling the cops. What's up, guys?
Part two, team.
Yeah, because we didn't get to try the blueberry last time.
And we got fries.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a big gulp.
Oh my goodness. Why is it so slimy?
Alright, should we take a bite?
Oh, okay. I'm not eating that. Wait, Brandon, can you even have this? I don't think so. Actually, a donut. Bro, we should get another one of those in the microwave yet.
I already had one.
For 10 minutes. It's finishing the honey, bro. Blueberry prime? Blueberry prime?
Rate it out of 10.
Yo, it's actually a Capri Sun. Out of 10, They all taste like that.
Oh, it's like a bigger.
This tastes like Louis.
I want to try the honey bun. I think this one's actually a good one. Yo, actually, it's like fruity.
It's literally like the actual fruit punch.